PreCheck AI is one of the newest AI tools that just dropped, and in this review, I'll be going over 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. If you're new to AI tools or thinking about adding this one to your digital toolkit, you'll want to stay tuned to the end. Trust me, there's a key feature about PreCheck AI that could change the way you approach your workflow. And by the way, you can try PreCheck AI for free through the link in the description. So let's get into it. PreCheck AI is designed to help streamline the process of verifying, checking, and processing data. It automates tasks that normally take up a lot of manual time, which is huge for businesses looking to boost productivity and cut down on human error. And considering the recent AI boom, PreCheck AI really stands out with its ability to integrate seamlessly into almost any system you're already using. Now, one of the first things you'll notice is how user-friendly the interface is. This software is built with ease of use in mind, even if you're not a tech expert. You're able to set up and get going in just minutes, which is something that a lot of other tools still haven't quite nailed down. Another impressive feature is PreCheck AI's ability to instantly validate data from different sources, helping you ensure your business or marketing efforts are based on accurate, reliable info. That's a game changer if you're involved in anything from digital marketing to customer relations management. It gives you the power to make decisions backed by data you can trust, without wasting valuable time doing manual checks. What makes PreCheck AI stand out from similar tools is its customization options. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, which means you can tailor it specifically to your business needs. Whether you're automating a marketing campaign or managing leads, you can customize PreCheck AI to fit your goals. The AI's efficiency is another huge selling point. Whether you're using it for data validation, automating lead scoring, or simplifying CRM processes, the time savings you gain is incredible. PreCheck AI doesn't just do the job faster, it does it with pinpoint accuracy. This translates into higher productivity and more room for growth, without worrying about data integrity. Let's talk about the accuracy. PreCheck AI's algorithms are based on the latest in AI tech, and it continuously improves over time. This means that as you use it, the software learns, adapts, and gets even better at detecting errors or inconsistencies in the data it processes. For those of you who are wondering about integration, PreCheck AI works well with most major platforms. Whether you're using Google Ads, CRM tools, or other business software, it connects without a hitch, making it easy to implement into your current workflow. Finally, one of the standout features of PreCheck AI is its support team. The developers have made sure you have access to quick, responsive support whenever you need it. Whether you need help getting started or troubleshooting an issue, they're there to assist you. So, to sum it up, if you're looking for an AI tool that will save you time, increase accuracy, and provide valuable insights to streamline your business or marketing efforts, PreCheck AI is worth checking out. Again, you can try it for free through the link in the description. Before you go, I've spent countless hours testing and reviewing hundreds of AI tools, so check out my recommended list of AI software in the description. They're the tools I've found to be the most effective for growing your business, and you can try them for free. Don't miss out on this, and I'll see you in the next video.